Welcome to the operation video series of the Sciocin Duco Robot Intelligent Welding System. This is a single-pass linear weld seam. Begin by clicking the plus sign in the lower right corner to create a new program. Once the new program is opened, you can start programming. A linear weld seam is defined by 4 points. The first point is the start point. Drag the welding gun to a suitable location and click Record Current Point to confirm the start position. Click Weld Seam to select the path type. Options include linear, circular arc, circle, or joint motion. For a single pass linear weld, first choose linear. Drag the gun to the intended arc start position, then click Record Current Point. Next, drag the gun to the arc endpoint and click Record Current Point. Finally, retract the gun to a safe clearance point and record this position. This completes the teaching of the single-pass linear weld path. During path teaching, the force control module can be used to drag the robot through waypoints. Click wire feed to feed wire or gas on to activate shielding gas. Click weld seam to toggle among path types, linear, arc, or circle. Click point to record the current robot position. A toggle button on the left side switches between high and low drag speeds. After defining the path, configure the process parameters. First, identify the arc start point and click Arc Start on the far right. This assigns arc start parameters to the point and turns all subsequent path points blue. For the arc end point, click Arc End. The path between the arc start and end points constitutes the actual weld trajectory. Finally, assign parameters to the safe retraction point. This point remains black, indicating it is a spatial point rather than part of the weld path. In this programming logic, weld pads are shown in blue, while spatial points and trajectories are displayed in black. To set process parameters, click on a weld segment, for example, Weld Seam 1 in the example. Click Process Settings and select User-Defined Process. For a single-pass linear weld, enter the Process Edit menu in the 1-1 interface. Within the Welding Parameter panel, you can adjust the following: welding mode, constant voltage, pulse, job, etc. Adjustment mode, synergic single knob or independent. In this example, constant voltage mode with synergic adjustment is used. Set the welding current to 240A and the synergic voltage level to 5%. These values should be fine-tuned based on actual welding conditions. Set the travel speed to 30 centimeters per minute or applicable unit. Click Save to confirm. Now, the process parameters are fully configured. Click back and save the program again. At this stage, both the motion path and welding parameters for the single-pass linear weld are complete. You may now initiate the welding process by clicking Start. The robot will execute the automated weld. After teaching, the welding path can be verified in the simulation interface. The 2 small black points represent the arc start and end points in the current view. The red trace indicates the welded linear seam. The blue segments represent non-welding spatial moves. For example, the gun moves to the arc start point weld path, completes the weld, then retracts to the safe point. In the welding fine-tuning panel, real-time welding parameters are displayed during operation. Actual values such as welding current and voltage are shown, along with the preset reference values.